Hi, my name is Alex, and today I'll be giving you a tour around our new e-bike, the Juggernaut Ultra Eagle. The Eagle is our first bike to feature an American-made frame. After being hand-welded in California, the frames are shipped up to Canada, and they're assembled right here in this room to your exact specifications. The Juggernaut Ultra Eagle is our top-of-the-line e-bike. It is a limited run with only 50 bikes available. With the Bafang Ultra torque-centered motor providing 1700 watts of peak power and 160 Newton meters of torque, this is one of the most powerful torque-centered bikes available on the market today. The Eagle comes standard with a 52-volt, 14 amp hour battery providing over 45 kilometers of range. Also available are 17 and 21 amp hour batteries offering 55 kilometers and 65 kilometers of range respectively. The battery is removable, so you can take it into charge just by turning the key. The Eagle features a RockShox Recon air-cushioned e-bike suspension fork with 150 millimeters of travel. The Tektro E725 quad-piston hydraulic brakes and 180 millimeter rotors deliver fast and reliable stopping power. Magura MT5E brakes are available as an optional upgrade. The Eagle also features a 12-speed SRAM GX drivetrain with a chain guard. There are two tire options available on the 27.5 by 3-inch boost wheel set. These Maxxis Minions are great for off-road riding. We also have Supermoto X tires available for street riding. The LCD display comes in two different sizes. Shown here is the DPC-18, which mounts in the center of the handlebars. If you'd like something smaller, the 500C is also available. Both displays will show speed, estimated range, current time, and more. The Eagle also comes with a thumb throttle. There are three different frame sizes, medium, large, and extra large, accommodating riders from 5'3" to 6'6". This bike here is a medium. The 6061 T2 American aluminum frame comes powder-coated in black. We're excited to offer a few different frame graphics, so you'll be able to choose the ones you like the best. Finally, a wireless dropper seat post, mud hugger fenders, and an Axiom rear rack are available as optional upgrades. That covers the features and options of the bike. We're very proud to support American manufacturers and Canadian bike mechanics with the all-new North American-made Juggernaut Ultra Eagle. Please visit our website to find out more, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.